Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. And this time my unboxing product will be a charger. I ordered this charger from AliExpress and it is delivered to my country via Daraj, and you can find the affiliate link of AliExpress on the description box of this video. I am cutting the package now. Okay, this is a box charger and here it is. Essager branded 65 watt fast charger with 2 type C and 1 USB A output. This is a very handy charger. This has short circuit protection, over temperature protection and chip level protection. Let's take a quick look at the specification. I hope you can read. The model number of the charger is ESCD23 and it has 2 type C output which can in total maximum giving you output of 65 watt, and USB A or normal USB it can give you output of 60 watt. The different combination will give you different types of output. So when you are using multiple device at the same time, you need to be careful about this specification. Okay, let's unbox it. The package looks slightly teared down. I don't know if there is a cable inside or not. Okay, no cable. This is a cheap plastic wrapping. Okay, the charger is surprisingly small and very well built. Wow, the quality is excellent. This is a GaN charger and it is US type and the pins are folded inside the charger. Wow, the locking mechanism is very nice. You also have all the specification written on the charger, which is very helpful. Wow, this is nice. Now I am going to check this charger. I have a 65 watt Asus power bank, and according to its specification this power bank can receive type C input of 65 watt. Okay, let's go. Yes, what will going on? Is this really 65 watt? Let's check it. I also have a USB digital voltage tester. This will confirm the 65 watt output of this charger. Okay, this is the power output. I am plugging it in. Oh, this is tight. Okay, yes, this is plugged. We also have a power LED indicator in the charger, which is a nice addition. And now I am looking at the specification again. Both USB output C1 can output 65 watt. This is C1. Okay, so I will connect my charger to C1 port. Oh, sorry, I have to connect the voltage tester. Yes, charger is connected. Time for power bank connection. This is turning on. Yes, 62 watt, 62 plus. Wow, This is a great product, and most importantly, I bought this product from AliExpress on a amazing deal. This is very cheap deal, and I will give you the link to buy this product on the video description. This is the best deal of the market. It can output 65 watt. It has 3 power output, and the build quality, forget about the packet quality, build quality of this Essager charger is excellent. I am touching the charger. There is no excessive heat, and my Besus power bank is receiving, yes, 19.23 ampere. Okay, this is receiving 62, almost 60, 63 plus watt of current. This is amazing. I will definitely use this charger from now on. Okay, there is another test. What about Samsung? What about Samsung super fast 25 watt charging? Let's test it. This is unplanned. Okay, this is my Samsung Type C cable, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I am now checking super fast charging of Samsung via this Essager 65 watt charger. My phone has 67% of battery. I am plugging it in. Yes, super fast charging. Super fast charging, and it's touching 25 watt. As my phone has 67% charge, that means 25 watt output is impossible. The power output must be less than 25 watt, and it is around 22 watt. So this Essager charger is super fast charge capable. That means it is Samsung capable. Wow, this is nice. I have to use only this charger from now on. What about C2 port? Let's check it. Okay, C2 port is connected. Again, super fast charging. This is very good. This is very promising. Okay, so this is it. I am very satisfied over this Essager 65 watt charger. It is very lightweight, very compact, great build quality, and it also has a power indicator. It can charge 3 devices at once, but obviously if you want full 65 watt, then you must use Type C and 1 device at a time. I bought this Essager 65 watt GaN charger from AliExpress. You can also check my affiliate link written in the description of this video. Okay, that's all for today. Like this video if it is helpful for you. Subscribe to my channel if you like to see more video like this. Thank you very much.